Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Parsoon here, and in these two videos, I'm going to review Etoro platforms in 2021. So, if you have any question about Etoro, whether should you invest in this platform or should you trust these platforms, or are there any pros and cons about trading with these platforms, I'm going to be answering this kind of question within these videos. And if you stay to the end of the videos, I have a bonus with you if you decided to join the eToro with me, right? So please stay tuned for the end of the videos. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Hey guys, so first let's talk about what is eToro platform. So eToro is multi-asset brokerage with they offer stock, commodity, forex, crypto, and also like ETF. So basically it's like you can trade a lot of multi-asset class in these platforms. But you have to keep in mind that right now it operates in many countries. So I'm going to show you the list of the country that they are operating. So right now they operate in many countries. As you can see here, you can pause the video to see the list of your countries. So yeah. But right now, as for the US customer, you can only trade like cryptocurrency platforms. But in the future, they are developing the platform. So they are offering in the US gonna be more broader. So you can, in the future, you can trade with stocks, you can trade with other asset class as well. But right now, the people in the US can only trade like cryptocurrency right now, as for now. But as for the people from many other countries, so they can trade as I said earlier, they can trade like multi-asset classes. So yeah. So what I like about the eToro platform is that eToro platform is actually really simple to use, as I would illustrate this here. So basically, like if you use the eToro on whether on a mobile or on the website, you can actually see like the dashboard. It's really simple to use. So basically, if you want to trade Teslas, for example, you basically go to this tab, and then you just click trade, and then you just set up the price that you want to buy or you want to sell. So basically really simple. And if you want to short the stock, you can also do that just by clicking the sell in this button, and you just set up the price target and the amount that you want to trade, that you want to be trading. So yeah, and you can actually set a stop loss right away. So it's really simple to use and set up the target price. So yeah, really simple to use. And they can actually have a leverage for trading stock, trading forex, and indexes. So really simple to use. So this one is like the main reason I think like a lot of people, they decided to use eToro for wide range of asset classes while still simple to use to trade. So, and also like eToro actually have the lower fees than a lot of the local trading platforms. So let's say like for example, in my country, I live in Thailand. I used to live in the US and UK before, but right now I live in Thailand. So the fees of like the derivative warrants on my local platform is really expensive. If I want to take leverage on trading this kind of like asset class, so I have to pay a lot of interest, I have to pay a lot of trading fees. So yeah, really bad. So I decided to join eToro because I want to trade more risky asset while still have like low trading fees. So yeah, this one is really awesome. So one of the reasons I joined eToro. So let me show you some here. Alright guys, actually there is another point that I would like to point out here. So the pros of eToro is actually like their trading hour, they open longer than local trading platforms. So for example, if you live in the country like me in Thailand, so like the trading hour that open from 9 o'clock to like 4 o'clock. So if I want to trade out of this trading hour, so I cannot do that. And I'm still working full time as a management consulting, so really busy during the day. So I think like eToro is one of the options that you can have more flexible hour, or I mean like you can actually have a better stop loss plan in case there is some market volatilities during the night, and you can actually like to close your trade to actually stop loss. But if you decided to use your local platform and they don't have like they don't operate at night, so if there is a market volatilities during the night from global stocks, so you're gonna lose a lot of money and you can't stop loss that trade. So this is one of the like the reason as well that I decided to use eToro. So yeah, really awesome. So now let's talk about the con of these platforms. So I think like sometimes not just eToro but like many platforms they do crashing. Like whenever the market has the high level extreme volatilities, the market can be crashing because people are um, they order their stocks, they order their actions, so the market can be crashing. So I can see like a lot of apps, not just eToro, but yeah, it happens sometimes. So but I think like this kind of platform are doing better in terms of like managing like their liquidity on a platform, so you're going to be less seeing this kind of problem. So yeah, but it happens sometimes. Like I think like 1% of the time if the market has super crazy volatilities. Yeah. So another cons of this eToro platform is actually I think like their withdrawal day is actually take long, maybe like 2 days. I don't know if this considered a long period of time for you, but as of for me, it's considered a long period of time. So yeah, I mean like I think I do think like another platform they have like in it 1 days or within that days they withdraw their fund and then their customer receive the fund right away. So yeah, it's just another cons of eToro. But as to summarize the pros and cons, I do think like the pros is actually outweigh the cons. So basically choosing to focus on what really matter, like asset classes and really simple user interface to use, and also have like open more trading hour. So yeah, it's pretty much all you need to do. Yeah. So guys, and I actually want to show you a little bit that I have been using eToro for some times. I started in 2020. When I'm starting this, I was totally broke, man. I don't have money, right? So when I just start like about 4 months starting from like on October, and I make a loss on that month. I mean like about 7%, and after next month when I learn everything about stock, so I get to make some kind of profits. I think I consider it like a consistent profit because I study a lot about like trading system, like technical analysis using Elliott Web to trade, and I kind of like make a consistent return on here. So it's pretty awesome. Like made a lot of money from it, and these are like this asset class that I trade a lot. I using a lot of like Dow Jones, basically indices. So and I also trade stocks and Forex as well. But yeah, I do think like trading indices on eToro is actually really simple to use, and yeah, it's pretty much all I need. So but this amount of money is not like the one time, it's actually like the accumulated number. So yeah, this one I lose a lot of money on China's market as well, because like at the beginning of 2011 2021 it's like Chinese market crash, so I made a lot of losses on that thing. Yeah. So yeah, so basically like eToro has a lot of asset classes. If you want to trade indices like trade Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nikkei, and Hang Seng, you can actually eToro is really well suited for you. And if you want to trade Forex as well, you can also do this with eToro. Also, as for the crypto, they also have a lot of let me show you, yeah, sorry, let me show you like the real asset class. Okay, so let me show you something here. Just hang on a minute, hang on a second. Yeah, so like they have a lot of asset class. So if you want to buy stock, you can do that. Really simple. Crypto. All right, I'm gonna show you more of. Let's say like I want to buy crypto. They have the wide range of crypto as well. But if you want to solely trade crypto, if you want to invest in crypto, so I think like right now, Binance might be a better alternative options. So because Binance has a lot more like infrastructure, you can do like DeFi, you can do a lot of stuff over there. But as for eToro, it's more like a trading platform where you not only want to trade cryptocurrency, but you want to trade multi-asset class. You want to trade like stock like Tesla as well, while having like Bitcoin or having like Dogecoin. So yeah, the objective might be a different if you want to do that. So yeah. So let me show you like the commodity. So basically they also have a lot of commodity currency. This one is Forex. Yeah, have a lot of currency pair. They also have a lot of ETFs as well. If you want to buy like the fund that many well-known and popular investment banking company and other financial company, so you can actually do this, invest in ETF indices, and also for the stock. So yeah, it have so many country stocks, so you can choose if you want to invest in let's say like you want to invest in UK stock. Just click here and you can access stock from many countries. Really simple as that. And actually I want to show you something more. So yeah, a lot of people asking if should you trust the platform at all. So if the eToro actually like make money, so that it could stay for a long period of time. So yeah, I think like eToro is one of the platform that actually reliable, as they are going initial public offering this year. So basically like they're gonna have a lot of like they have a lot of cash, and you know like the company that are a public company has a lot more trust and a lot more liabilities than the platform that they are not in public. So because if eToro if it is in public, right, they're gonna have a lot of investor, and yeah, there is a lot of people watching and monitor their performance. So you can see like there is a lot of stuff that you can trust from this. Yes. And also I want to show you something here, like who are the investor of the eToro. So like this one is like the big name VC that they invest in, like Uber. They invest in a lot of companies, so like SoftBank. So really big company invest in eToro, so you can really trust these platforms. So yeah, that would be my opinion. So now let's talk about like my oh sorry guys, I want to show you a little bit more about copy trade. So basically like if you want to trade eToro, you can actually go on and copy trading of other people. So basically like you can actually copy these people, or actually like you can follow them. When this guy trade, you can actually have a signal. The eToro will send you a notification that this guy is trading this stocks, they're trading these indices, they're trading this forex pair. So you can actually set a notification, and then you can actually follow them, right? So if you see like this guy have better performance over the years. So if you want to follow these guys, like which stocks that he trades, which stock that he sell, you can actually monitor them closely. Or you can actually copy this guy, put your funding into his portfolio copy trade. Yeah, really cool. So like basically I think like a lot of people are actually make a lot of money just by copy and trade stock from other people that they are already like expert. You can actually see the historical performance and the risk level that match your risk appetites. So yeah. Now let's talk about my bonuses. So if you decided to join Etoro with my affiliate link, so you're gonna be getting my favorite elite web trade setup. So basically, you're gonna be getting like how to trade with elite web on forex, on crypto, on indices and stocks. I mean, like most of the asset class can be using elite web to trade. So really awesome. You can make a lot of money that I usually made back in 2020. So I'm gonna show you like how I made that kind of return on this. So I basically use elite web trading strategies. Also, I'm gonna be showing you like how the top three indicator and technical analysis training, in which I'm gonna show you the videos that make me a lot of money. So after I've learned that kind of videos, so you're gonna learn a lot as well by just watching these videos. So yeah, really cool. And I'm gonna be giving you my risk reward tracking Excel template, and you can actually keep track of your trading history. So you can keep track of your trading strategies. If you do well on strategy A, you can actually go on and focus on strategy A. If you did not do well on strategy B, you can actually stop. And this is one of like systematic tracking Excel template that you can actually monitor. So also have a manual backtesting template as well. So I'm gonna give you more info once you get this. And also I'm gonna give you like a top 10 list of the investor copy trade so that you can actually follow and copy that trade. So you can actually have more edge in the market to actually have information that so these experts buy or sell this kind of stock, and if you see like their historical performance as well, you can actually follow their strategies. And also I'm going to be showing you and give you like the paid and free signal pages. So basically there is a lot of people that are giving the signal over like the YouTube or the website. I'm gonna give you the list of the people that are trustable, that you can trust their signal. I mean, it's not 100% accurate, but it has more accuracy than other people, and yeah, it's still good to have. Also, yeah, in order to claim the bonuses, you have to join with my link. And if you already sign up with Etoro, I think like if you want my bonuses, you have to create new account using the new email address. And actually like you have to trade until reaching a certain amount of commission, but it's not really difficult. I mean, like you probably have reaching that level of commission within like the first 1 or 2 weeks after sign up. So yeah, it's basically like everyone can after sign up with Etoro, and you can actually reach this level of commission, and then you reach out to me on emails, and I'm gonna give you like my bonuses, right? So that's it for today's video. So in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to sign up and how to set up the Etoro. So you guys can actually subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so that you don't miss any important information about my channel. So stay tuned, guys.